Hello and welcome back to another calculus video. Today I'm going to go over the power rule for derivatives and integrals. So the first example we're going to do is the derivative of x to the power of 1/2. The first step is to drop the exponent down. The second step is to subtract 1 from the exponent. And that's all there is to it for the power rule of the derivative. Now to recap the process for this problem, we drop the exponent down and subtract 1 from it. Now let's do the integral. So the first step in the power rule for integrals is to add 1 to the exponent and then divide by the exponent. And as always with an integral problem, remember to add the constant of integration. And that's the answer, and we're right back to what we started with before we took the derivative. The integral is the reverse of the derivative. So let's do another example. For this, it'll be the derivative of x to the power of -4. The first step is to bring the exponent down. Second step is to subtract 1 from the exponent. Now remember the number line. A negative number is moving to the left on the number line. And here we have the answer. Now let's do the integral. Remember the first step for the power rule of integrals is to add 1 to the exponent. And remember the number line, when we add, we move to the right of the number line. And then we divide by the exponent. And again, the constant of integration. You must always remember the constant of integration whenever doing an indefinite integral. An indefinite integral being an integral that does not have limits of integration. And we're right back to what we started with. The power rule is very easy. And remember, you are an intelligent person, so you can learn all of calculus and do well on any test you need.